Hey lovely people, it's Elizabeth here, tuning in from Fiji. Guess what? I've got all my Christmas vibes sorted, and guess who's joining the festive fun? My friend caught a glimpse of my dazzling Christmas stockings and insisted on having a similarly fabulous one. So here we go. I've already wrapped my stabilizer in the hoops, laid out the technical materials. It's time to stitch up the magic. Crafting my Christmas stocking involves piecing together these adorable fabric scraps. I mark and stitch the first bit. Snip off the excess and repeat the process for the rest. Some pieces need to be smooth and plain for the epic holiday message we're planning to write. Once all's attached, it's time to embroider the main festive phrase and sprinkle in those decorative stitches along the fabric joints. Voila! I take the materials for the stockings reverse side, stitch it all around the edges. Detach it from the stabilizer. Tidy up the excess. And cut out the lining. We're talking details here, folks. Making incisions of the main piece. Sewing in that loop. It's all part of the crafting jazz. Then comes the magic tricks. Sewing the lining to the main piece. Once we've turned it inside out, I work my sewing magic to stitch up the opening. There you have it, folks. The Christmas stocking is ready to spread some holiday cheer. Don't forget, I left some handy links in the description to those fantastic stores brimming with handmade goods. Your purchase there helps inspire the talented Turkish women behind these crafts. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your creative pals. Wishing everyone loads of sewing luck. Catch you in the next one. Happy crafting!